Hello and welcome to NLF Live. Today I am going to speak to you all about what makes us different as a law firm, like why you should hire our law firm or what sets us apart from other criminal defense attorneys. And I'm addressing it because it's a question I get often, what makes us unique, what makes us so different, and why can't the person up the street do the same exact thing? And so one of the biggest things that I think sets us apart, as you can tell, is our focus on information and knowledge, like imparting that onto other people. Just making sure we answer people's questions, take our time with them, build those relationships, and treat people how we would want to be treated. Um, I ask a lot of questions, and I expect that my clients will probably have a lot of questions too. We have a free legal resource on our website that can be downloaded, and in that we walk through the criminal defense process from arrest all the way to appeal. What happens from A to Z in a criminal case. And that's really because we just want people who've never experienced this before or haven't experienced this in a really long time to know what they're getting into and know what to expect. So I think the fact that we take our time to empower people with information is one of the things that sets us apart. And another thing is the convenience that we provide for our clients. Like a lot of our clients have jobs, have families, go to school, or there's other things that are going on in your life that they want to maintain. And, getting arrested disrupts everything that you have going. It's not something that you expect. It's not something that you plan for. So from the finances to the time off of work, the possibility of losing your job, getting arrested is pretty inconvenient. So what we do is we try to make the process as convenient as possible for our clients. And that's, from providing phone consultations, doing electronic paperwork, providing for all other electronic communication, sharing documents right away, and keeping the client constantly apprised of what's going on with their case, not just with the information we provide about the law, but also about their case in general. You have access to your documents after it's been redacted. That means we take out all private witness information we cannot share with you, but you have access to the documents. You can see the photos, you can see the videos, you can track your case with us almost in real time. So that's one of the other things. And then, of course, as I talked about before, like we are really big on humanizing our clients. We don't want the district attorney or anybody to view our clients as just another file on the desk or just another case number on their docket. I mean, these are real people with real lives and real stories, and we want to convey that real truth to everyone involved in their case. And, cases don't necessarily get dismissed just because somebody is a good person, but those things that you're doing in the community or your immigration status or the job that you have and how long you've been on it and potential consequences of a conviction, all of that can be used as mitigating factors in negotiating your case. And that's something that we thrive on. Of course, we take the criminal out of criminal defense. Criminal defense is just crazy to me because you're automatically slammed with this label of being a criminal. And then, of course, it has all of these negative preconceived notions along with it. And so we don't want you to be viewed any other way than the human being you are. And human beings are not perfect, and we all make mistakes. And then finally, I think the other thing that sets us apart is the fact that we have a team. You've seen some of my staff, Michael, you've seen Ebony, you've seen Monique, and I don't work alone. And it's not that I'm not capable of handling these cases on my own, but it's more so that we don't want to be stressed out worrying about, whether or not the phones are going to be answered, or whether or not a document's going to get faxed, or if a letter has been sent out. We just want the right people in the right place so that you've got a team that's working for you. You have more than just me in your corner. You've got a lot of people who have the same vision as me in your corner, and a lot of people who are supporting the vision of the firm in your corner and fighting for you just as hard as I would be in court. So that is pretty much what sets us apart. We know that getting arrested is, like I said, it's a disruption, and we want you to maintain some sense of normalcy in your life. And that normalcy includes, being able to work and being able to spend time with your family and not sitting in jail waiting for your case to be resolved. And also, of course, having this family type feel with our firm. So you've got somebody there encouraging you and helping you along through the process. So that's what sets us apart. If you're looking for somebody who is going to kind of help push you and ask you the hard questions, have those hard conversations, but at the same time support you and fight for you, then the Nieves Law Firm is the best law firm for you. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.